dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino, chaos everywhere, riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "No more dinos jumping on the train." Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. 4 little dinosaurs. Bingo! 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train." Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, choo. Funny dino train. Quack, quack, quack. Hee-haw! 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. 2 little dinosaurs. Hee-haw! 1 little dinosaurs riding on a train.
Oh, no.
One pulled lever once again. No, Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train." Choo, choo, choo. Crazy, crazy train. Hee-haw! 1 little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. No, Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Happy dinos steal the show. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Farm Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hay is gone. Cow looks shocked. Mood is wrong. Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh, no, no, no. Kid says, "Link, my food is here." Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
"Eat burgers, apples, one big bite." Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
Oink, 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 oink. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, "Honk, cock-a-doodle-dee." Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
Oh, no.
"Seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts."
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries.
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
"Cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O." Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, "Papa, grass is mine." Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
"Pit grass gone, whole field clean." Sheep says, "This is not mean." Kitty rolls.
Yummy, yummy.
Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba, ba, ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees,
no.
"Oh no, I ate everything." She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know, Farmer Kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. But she ate it all, bubbles, crack, cash, plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. The bubbles josh, crash, crash. Stop, pop, 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 up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Beaky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, pop, pop. Jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Up goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, pop, pop. Jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and flips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Last big bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 pop. Jump and play. Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea. Healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound.